Hello programmer and welcome back to another new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to implement Typegen with NextJS 15 and Sanity CMS. So without this time, let's get started. Okay, this is my project and this is product type is any, and this is my product type is schema, and this is my grow query. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to implement Typegen just one click. So how to do that, just watching my video. So let's get started. So first of all, it's super simple, and just copy this code and open your package.json file and then paste below. Okay, and just save, and you can close or not close, no problem. And then you need to create a new file. Okay, you need to create a new file and just copy and create a new file in your root directory. Okay, so just paste and create this file, and then just copy this code and just paste here. Okay, boom. So then just awesome. So now our product type is any, and now open a new terminal. Okay, so okay, and now this is our package.json file. Okay, Typegen. So okay, now just press npm run Typegen, press enter, boom. Just wait some time. Okay, automatically generate your types. So Sanity is mind-blowing, game changer TypeScript. Okay, now awesome. So extended schema tool like this and generate type for 16 schema types and 1 grow queries in one file like this. And some time ago already you watched product type was any, but now is product type all products, something like that. Okay, so automatically set up your Typegen. So I hope you understand, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Never forget like, share and comments. Bye bye.